Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So Holi is around the corner, so I thought about making a social media post like this for Holi. So watch till the end. First we need some elements, so go to elements. Now click on the search bar and search for some Holi elements. Let's see. Okay, I'll use the colors. There are a lot of colors. Let's see. It's look too light. I need a dark one. Yeah, this one is good. So place them around the corner like this, and now adjust their position, align them with. Okay, now we need some more elements. The hands look good. Okay, let's use this. Adjust their positions. We need a pichkari. Yeah, this one. Place it in the middle. Now go to text and click on the search bar and search for holiday. Now click on the first option. Now write happy Holi or whatever message you want to write. Now change the color. Yeah, red looks good. Yeah, again go to element and search for color splash. Yeah, now I'm taking this one. Now click on the three dots and now click on send to back. Then adjust the position. Do the same thing, take another color, click on the three dots and then send to back. Now adjust the position. Okay, everything looks good. So I'm gonna add some more colors. You can add some more, or if you don't like it, then you can just leave it as it is. So you can just simply press the copy option and place it around the page. Okay, this looks good. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then do like and subscribe.